I'm going to show you one of the awesome features on WhatsApp Web Pro. All right, today we're going to be talking about how to filter some of the numbers through in your group. So guys, let's get straight into the video. So we're going to do the grab active group members today, okay? This feature is fantastic. And what you want to do first is go through your WhatsApp groups, okay? So you go into a group, okay? Make sure that group actual page is there and open, and then open this up and click start grabbing. It's then going to go through that group and start grabbing these, okay? It's going to change the status to running so you can actually see that it is at work. Guys, super easy, right? And it'll go through, it'll tell you exactly how many's found, okay? Once you've found them, right, the group active group members to grab them, it's really, really easy after that. Because all you want to do now, guys, is go back onto your feature list, all right? And you want to click on the grab group members. So now you're going to grab the actual group members by pressing start grabbing. So all of these groups here, you can see, okay, you want to start grabbing these members. Guys, click one of them, click select, and click save. This will save it to your computer. File will be successfully saved. Make sure you save it in a place where you don't get confused or mistaken it for another video. And then once you've done that, open up that file, guys. You're going to go to where that file downloaded and saved, okay? And then you're going to open up the Excel sheet. Super easy, guys. Here's all the numbers. This is all the members we've just grabbed. All right, look how easy that was to get this, okay? Super, super easy to get involved with this. Now, guys, what you want to do with that is you want to use one of our other features, WhatsApp number filter. We're going to filter through the numbers that we've just grabbed. So we're going to upload the Excel that we just saved, all right? Super easy. Upload that one. That's why I said make sure it's saved in a place that you can find straight away, all right? Once you've uploaded that, you're going to simply change the delay settings to whatever it is you want. I keep them as the recommended settings, okay? I don't change them. Completely up to you if you want to. The initiation's already done. You want to click start. Once you've clicked start, there you go, guys. It's going to start running, okay? I'm going to skip this through till it says 100% completed so I can show you what it looks like. Once it's 100% completed, guys, it will open up your save as folder. Please save this into a special place as well. Okay, once it's in that place where you can find it easily, you'll see which ones are available and which ones were not available. Luckily, we've got every single one available, which is fantastic. This does happen pretty much all the time, but there will be the odd time where there's a fake number that is not available. So guys, it's super easy, all right? You've got all these numbers that we've now just filtered. Okay, literally, you can get hundreds in seconds, guys, all right? Once you've got it, it's simple what you've got to do. If you want to use the next part of the feature, if you want to go into WhatsApp Web Pro and get involved, all right, go onto their website, read about us. If this video has not done it for you, there's over 5,700 active customers. There's some awesome features, important contact, bulking messages, personalized messages. We talk about them all on this channel, all right? Turbo message number generators, group contacts, sending reports. I actually go through every single one, and it's all for a low fee of $0 if you want to try for 3 days and a free trial, but $89.99 for one-time lifetime fee. That's a full license, guys, so get involved right now with the link down below. There you go, guys. Thank you so, so much. Do me a huge favor. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified, hit the link down below to get involved, and I'll see you next time.